Hello friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita Smart Education. Today in this video, we are going to learn about a movement which makes the Indian government to rethink about their priorities related to forest and a movement which is the basis for the formation of Forest Conservation Act 1980, that is Chipko movement. In this video, we are going to learn all about Chipko movement with question and answers. Okay, without wasting our time, let me start the video. In 1973, the government decision to allot forest land to a sports goods company gives rise to a movement, and that movement changed the laws related to forest in India, and that is Chipko movement. Chipko, the word itself indicates embarrass. The people, the rural villagers showed their embarrassing by stopping the trees to cut off or fell off. Okay, let's learn what is Chipko movement. Chipko movement is a non-violent social and ecological movement by rural villagers and particularly women in India in the 1970s, and it aimed at protecting trees and forests slated for government packed loggings. Chipko movement is also known as Chipko Andolan. Okay, what is the relevance of Chipko movement? The Chipko Andolan stands out as a very successful non-violent protest against the felling of trees, and it comes out as a movement which saved the future of not only Uttarakhand but also many other states in India. And the movement like Chipko do give us an idea of how important forests are and can be. Okay, who started Chipko movement? The Gandhian activist Sundarlal Bahuguna gave a direction to the movement, and his appeal to Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, resulted in the ban of cutting trees for 15-year ban on chopping of green trees in 1980s. And okay, when did Chipko movement started and where did Chipko movement started? Chipko movement was started in April 1973 in Uttar Pradesh Mandal village in the Upper Alkananda Valley, and soon it spread to other Himalayan districts of the state. And the Chipko movement was triggered by a government decision to allot forest land to a sports goods company. Okay, who were the leaders of Chipko movement? And yes, Sundarlal Bahuguna, an eco activist who spent his life persuading and educating the villagers to protest against the destruction of the forests and Himalayan mountains. And he is the leader of Chipko movement. And what are the benefits of Chipko movement? There are mainly two benefits of Chipko movement. And the first one is it forced the government to rethink their priorities and the use of forest produce and include the local people in forest management. And the second one is the local people could continue depending on the forest for meeting their basic needs. And these are the main benefits of Chipko movement. Okay, what is the impact of Chipko movement? Yes, the major impact of Chipko movement was that it promoted the Union government to amend the Indian Forest Act 1927 and introduced the Forest Conservation Act 1980, and which says forest land cannot be used for non-forest products. Okay, do you know about the Chipko movement in 18th century? Yes. Not many people know that the original Chipko Andolan dates back to the 18th century and was started by Rajasthan's Bishnoi community. And the incident has been etched in the annals of history for the sacrifice of a group of villagers who led by a lady named Amrita Devi and led down their lives while protecting trees from being felled on the order of then King of Jodhpur. And after this incident, the king, in royal decree, banned cutting of trees in all Bishnoi villages. And this was the major achievement of Amrita Devi. Okay, and this is all about Chipko movement, and hope you have gathered some information related to Chipko movement. And if you find this video informative, then please like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos like this. Thank you.